Welcome to The Art of Aerial Ambush, a Ukrainian perspective. The annals of military history are filled with cunning tactics and strategic maneuvers, but few are as game-changing and impactful as the aerial ambush. This technique, a blend of sky-high stealth and pinpoint precision, has been a game-changer in the theater of war. Now let's turn our gaze towards Ukraine, a country with a rich military history and a unique strategic approach to aerial warfare. Over the centuries, Ukraine's military has not only utilized aerial ambushes, but has also refined and redefined this tactic. The Ukrainian military's approach to aerial ambushes is a testament to their strategic prowess and their ability to adapt and innovate in the face of adversity. As we delve deeper into this topic, we'll see how this technique has been shaped and honed by the Ukrainian military, turning it into a fine art. The Ukrainian military, over the centuries, has honed this tactic into a fine art. Delving into Ukraine's military history, we find fascinating instances of aerial ambushes. Aerial ambushes, for those not in the know, are surprise attacks launched from the air, often catching the enemy off guard and leading to significant tactical advantages. But how did this strategy come about, and how has Ukraine historically used it to its benefit? Let's go back to the Second World War. Ukraine, as part of the Soviet Union, was on the front line against the German forces. In one particular instance, the Ukrainian pilots, with their nimble Polikarpov 116 fighters, used the cover of low clouds to launch surprise attacks on unsuspecting German convoys. This tactic, a classic example of an aerial ambush, proved very effective in disrupting enemy logistics and morale. Fast forward to the Cold War era. Ukraine, still under the Soviet banner, continued to refine the art of aerial ambush. The introduction of jet fighters like the MiG-15 and MiG-17 brought a new level of speed and firepower to the table. Ukrainian pilots often used the sun or the ground as cover, swooping down on NATO aircraft at supersonic speeds before the enemy even had a chance to react. Even in times of peace, the strategy of aerial ambush has been a crucial part of Ukraine's military doctrine. It's been used in training exercises to simulate potential conflicts and to keep the Ukrainian Air Force ready for any eventuality. But it's not just about the pilots and their aircraft. These ambushes required meticulous planning and precise execution. They involved ground crews, radar operators, and command centers, all working in unison to ensure the success of the mission. The sheer complexity of these operations is a testament to Ukraine's military prowess. These historical instances illustrate Ukraine's mastery in the art of aerial ambush. They show a nation that, despite facing numerous challenges, has consistently employed innovative tactics to safeguard its interests. It's a legacy that continues to this day, a testament to the skill and determination of the Ukrainian people. Fast forward to the modern day, and Ukraine's use of aerial ambushes remains as strategic as ever. Now let's dive into how these tactics have evolved and adapted to the contemporary military landscape. First, we must acknowledge the leaps and bounds made in technology. The game has changed with the introduction of unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones. These remote-controlled aircrafts have revolutionized the way Ukraine, and indeed the world, conduct aerial ambushes. Ukraine has been quick to adapt, incorporating drones into their military strategy. These high-tech gadgets offer a bird's-eye view of the battlefield, making it easier to spot and ambush enemy forces. They are also equipped with advanced weaponry, allowing for precise and devastating attacks from above. But it's not just about the technology. Ukraine has also refined its tactics. They have become masters of deception, using decoys and misdirection to lure enemies into traps. They've also perfected the art of timing, striking when the enemy least expects it. But what makes Ukraine's use of aerial ambushes truly impressive is their ability to adapt and evolve. They have shown a remarkable capacity to learn from their experiences, constantly tweaking and improving their tactics to stay one step ahead of their adversaries. Ukraine's modern application of aerial ambushes demonstrates the timeless relevance of this military tactic. As we've seen, the art of aerial ambush, a Ukrainian perspective, is a testament to Ukraine's military ingenuity. Tracing from their historical roots to modern-day applications, these aerial ambushes exemplify both courage and strategic brilliance. The fascinating blend of history and military strategy paints a vivid picture of Ukraine's defense prowess. If you enjoyed this journey through Ukraine's military history and strategy, please subscribe to our channel and share it with others who may find it interesting. Stay tuned for more engaging content.